Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the game Dragon City for iOS and Android. So this is going to make you super rich. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu, I can actually get unlimited gems. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. So let me just enable it right here, and I'm going to go back and let's see if it goes up. So currently I have not seen an increase, but maybe everything will start to increase now on my Dragon City account. And let's see, and bang guys, as you can see, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Dragon City hack for iOS and Android. Super cool. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, I'm rich as can be. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Dragon City hack. So the first step is going to be just going on the browser, and what you want to do is type this website, tweakmod.com. So once you're on this website, guys, go to the search bar and you just want to type Dragon City and then go ahead and press install. Now before it does download it, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step. So basically what it is you got to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it's super simple. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up. So let me just wait for this to load here, as you can see. Alright, so it is loading up right now. So let's just see what happens. Alright, so there we go, guys. You can see it says missing files. So basically what this is unfortunately, because there are bad people out there, what they'll do is they'll try to sell the mods. So they put this verification in place to protect real users. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps. So like Underdog Fantasy just says down and run for 30 seconds. So I'd go ahead and do that. Or I could do like TikTok, you know. This is a video if you're lost, but that's how I get the Dragon City hack for iOS and Android. Super cool, guys. Totally works. So if you're broke on Dragon City, be sure to try it out. It's super insane. So yeah, I've tried a lot of videos like this, but this is the only one that actually works, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. If you guys are broke on Dragon City, this will change everything, guys. You're going to become rich. So that's the website, guys, tweakmod.com. So try it out for yourself. See you guys later, and peace out.